Good morning everyone. Today I will be showing you about the self-age balanced natural mosquito repellent. So this is the packaging. On this package it has the 100% natural essential oils, including the lavender, the eucalyptus, citronella and peppermint. The size of this is 9 inches and 1/4, so it does fits everyone's arm or ankle. So you can use this when you're going outdoors, especially at night where there's a lot of mosquitoes. So I came from a hometown that has a lot of mosquitoes, so basically this is very useful. So you don't have to spray or anything, just wear it on your arm and your ankle and you'll be good. So I'll be showing to you what's inside, but before that, this is made of natural lemon scented oil called Geraniol derived plants. So it's very convenient to use and very unique for mosquito repellent. So, okay. Inside there's different colors. It has the green, orange, yellow and turquoise. So it is long enough to fit your arm or your ankle, and it has 6 holes to punch in this one. So basically if you use it, you do it like that. So I can actually wear this like this already, but usually my hand is tiny, so I use the second or third for my hand. So here we go. It's very cute. This is one of my favorite color, and it's very comfortable to use. It's lightweight and it smells so good. So if you like going to places with mosquitoes, then I think it's better to have this. If you don't like spraying with the mosquito repellent, it's better to try this one. It's really useful. A mosquito like biting me at night, but right now I live in the desert, so there's not much mosquitoes outside. But I know I can use this whenever we're traveling, and especially if I go back home to visit my family, and I can use this. And you don't want to be bitten by mosquito because you can get sick from it. I mean, based from my experience, I heard of people being bitten with mosquito and having dengue. So this one would really help, and I'm willing to share this to my family and friends back home and make my nephew and nieces use this. And yeah, so if you guys want this, you can find this in Amazon. Just look for self-age balanced natural mosquito repellent. It's SELPH balanced. So just look for this and you will find this, and it's not so expensive, and it's